Don't touch, Cody. Okay, walk with your dad.
Oh, look at the incredible.
Oh, they got fresh veggies. Dominic, Evie. Hey. You guys want to go this way or this way? Let's get a picture of you. Say cheese. Say happy Halloween. You're determined to wear your face mask. Cody, let me hold your glove so you can play. Okay. Can you go climb with your brother?
Hold on, I think that's got your leather.
He's gonna make a whole slit, a whole hole. You can get close, Cody. You see it, that mama?
That's your mama back there, not trying to. And then you got Dominik right here.
And where's Daddy, Diamond, and Cody?
I'm right here, about to see everybody up. Watch
me?
what you doing. And then this is Diamond and Dakota right here.
Why I gotta be over there?
That's you.
What you think, Dom? I feel like I would be in the mix.
No, you look.
I'd be in the mix. Like the animals? He got a beard. What's that little thing down there? That hair coming out.
What is that?
That's his beard?
Down there?
I mean, it's hair, so, or is it feather? Maybe it's feather.
He can like kind of fit through that little gap there.
If he needed to get out, if he felt like he'd been on the outside, he can make it out, especially at night.
He ain't gonna make it. He ain't gonna make it past the 26.
Shut up! That's somebody's dinner. Look at him carrying my baby like a lump of potatoes. Remember you had one for your birthday?
I like the costume.
Say thank you. You say hi to the horsey?
Oh my god, I almost tried it.
She got something in her mouth that she had since the house. Spit it out.
Let me see. Let me have some.
Give it to me. Macadamia. And she just been holding it.
That's why I said she had something in her mouth.
Good job, Cody. You did a good job. You're a big girl. The kids did so good at the pumpkin patch. We are leaving the pumpkin patch. The kids did really good. Of course, they want to stay. She looked like a what?
Look at that.
I got her. Okay, so we are leaving the pumpkin patch. The kids had a lot of fun. I wanted to bring them and get them an experience. I think Halloween is canceled and there's not going to be any trick-or-treating. So I wanted to make sure they had some kind of, you know, Halloween experience. So I think they were the only ones who wore costumes, but they really enjoyed it. So I'm going to bring them back tomorrow morning during homeschooling time and let them just run around for a little while. But I think from here we're going to go and get some crab legs. I did my makeup before we left so I can just touch it up when we get home. So I can film all night.
Look at that.
Airheads like that, or do you want the big box? That way we can at least keep them for a long time. We can get one pack of those and you can pick something else. I just want this. Let me see.
No, we want this.
This is just individual pieces. If you do a scavenger hunt with this, you're not gonna have anything to find. You need something that I can open up and I can hide. Let's get one pack of these and I can open them up. Okay. And then we can do... What other candies can we get? Get the Dippin' Dots. Okay. You want to try lemon heads?
Yeah.
You guys want to get Bean Boozled?
No, Bean Boozled.
You don't like Bean Boozled?
No. I like Bean Boozled. That's it. Is that it, Coda? Yeah, that's it.
Okay, come on. So do you want to get a bag of suckers?
Yeah.
Give it to mommy. The blow pops. I'll hold it.
No, I'll hold it.
It's pretty heavy. Okay, let's go check out.
Go.
If you need me to hold it, I'll hold it, okay? Okay, trick-or-treating was canceled this year due to you guys know what. So we came to the mall. We came to the mall to come and get the kids some candy. I was just gonna go to Target by myself, but I figured we can come and get them some stuff and they could kind of wear their costumes and have a little bit of a still outdoor experience. So they picked a couple of candies and I'm gonna hide them because they want to do a scavenger hunt. You want to do a scavenger hunt, right?
Yeah, I'm Black Panther. Yeah. If you guys don't know this.
You guys want some cupcakes? Yeah. But we only need a small pack. So you want to get this kind or the chocolate?
That's fine.
This kind?
Yeah, I love chocolate.
Okay, let's go. What are you laughing at? Huh?
Nothing.
What is it?
Nothing.
We're going through the women's section and there's panties right there. He started giggling. Why are you giggling? What's so funny? It's embarrassing. Is it good? Hi. Having a snack with my superheroes. There's no eating in the mall, obviously, so they have this outdoor seating going on. And I think Daddy got the French fry place, the potato place, and then the kids got some Wetzel pretzel. Just something quick before dinner. We just got home and our neighbors are actually out trick-or-treating. So while it's still daylight, I'm gonna let the kids go out really quickly. I did not get them Halloween bags this year because I thought Halloween was canceled. So I was able to get bags from the hair companies I work with out of my hair stash, and they're gonna use these and they work just fine. Just, you know, hopefully nobody won't read. And yeah, so we're gonna go to a couple houses really quickly while it's still daylight. Happy Halloween.
Halloween.
Okay.
To be extra nice, we'll give some away.
Okay. You don't go to the street, okay? Say hi, happy Halloween.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
Cody, there's one right there. Get that.
Candy right here. Right here, Cody. Come around this way. Okay, go back up.
Candy.
Good job. Okay, go, let's go find some more. Reese's. Wow. We have 2 bags of those, so when you guys get all your candy, you guys can share and divide it up, okay? Put it to your brother.
Cut here. I got one for you. She likes lollipops, so I'll give her lollipop.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I want a lollipop. Lollipop. Can I have this lollipop?
Yeah, there's a big bag of them, so there's plenty.
Oh, found one. Found an egg? Wow. Mommy had some good, but not that good.
That's a lot of candy for 2 toddlers.
I think I know what's going to eat.
I think you guys have a lot of candy. Let's go home.
Yeah.
Happy Halloween, Bugging Me.
We both have eggs.
Come on. And I want to make note, Dominic is wearing Cody's first shoes that I bought her. When I was pregnant with Cody, I bought those Vans. Let me see your arm. Ooh! Let me see your arm.
I have guns.
Okay guys, excuse the house. It is a complete mess, but the kids are taking inventory of everything they got. You guys got some good candy?
Yeah.
What is that on that wall right there?
D! Diamond, Daddy just stole a candy and I caught it on camera. Was it a mystery? Cody, you got a lot of candy, but these are mommy's. I just wanted to let you guys have something extra. These are the best gummy bears to me.
I have this.
You got chocolate. Oh, this is mommy's too. I'll share with you, but these two is mommy's.
No, I want that.
Okay, I'm gonna share with you. Happy Halloween. Did you guys have a good Halloween? You guys were Black Panther and princesses and Incredibles. Okay, enjoy your candy. I'm about to go pee and unwind.